Ridley guys, what's going on? It's Roger. Monday, September 28th. A little bit after 5 o'clock in the morning. And it's the first time it hadn't been raining in like 3 freaking days. Especially for those of you on the East Coast, especially in central North Carolina, we've just been inundating with rains for the last 72 hours. And woke up this morning and stepped outside and it wasn't raining. I mean, it's sprinkling and kind of misty right now, but it's not like downfall. So I haven't been able to do anything outside in like the last 3 days, and I've been dying just to get some fresh air. So when I was doing my quick morning just wake up walk around the block, I just decided I'm gonna keep going. So sorry to the guy that's helping me, but this morning I get outside, man. Take a little break from the treadmill and get it running a little bit. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Before I started filming the video, I jogged up a hill just to kind of push a little harder. But so anyway, it feels good. I'm just glad to be off the treadmill and back outside again. So I can feel it. You know, you get on the treadmill and you just don't know what you need to do. This morning, I actually kind of feel a little bit of that. It's not really lactic acid feeling, but you know, in your muscles where they get a little itchy. So good to change it up a little bit. Tomorrow morning I'll be back on it, rocking and rolling. We'll try to get back into the gym after I get out of work tonight. Not really get in the gym necessarily, but just need to do a lot of stretching and some calisthenics, maybe a little more cardio tonight. So I got that long 12-hour shift today. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna stick on here long. I'm not even walking with headphones this morning. Just listening to the sounds of nature and silence, and except for my own voice, it's pretty quiet. So anyway, signing off, guys. Stay motivated, stay true, get to walking, and we'll talk to you later. Roger, Oscar, Mike.